Let us take a look at question 2b of the Wassce 2019 Mathematics Theory Past Question. It says, given that 5b minus a over 8b plus 3a equals to 1 over 5, find, correct to 2 decimal places, the value of a over b. Take note, we want to find a over b. We have been given this equation. So the first thing you want to do right here is to cross multiply. So I'm going to do a cross multiplication. I'm going to cross multiply. Okay. And for me to cross multiply, what am I going to do right here? Okay. So I can have I'm going to have this to multiply 1 and 5b minus a to multiply 5. Okay, so I'm going to have 5 bracket 5b minus a, okay, equals to 1. Also is going to multiply this 1 bracket 8b plus 3a. Okay, in one of our videos we have taught you guys how to open up brackets, so this should be pretty easy. For a review of that, I will encourage you to go check our video where we were able to explain to you guys the concepts. Okay, now let's go ahead. Let's open up this bracket. 5 times 5b, that gives us 25b. Okay, 5 times negative a gives us negative 5a. Very good, guys. Now we have been able to open up this bracket right here. Okay, now the next thing is to open up this bracket here. 1 also is going to multiply both. 1 times 8b is 8b, okay, plus 1 times 3a is 3a. Very good, guys. Take note as we solve this problem that what we are trying to find is a over b. Okay, now let us simplify further. Okay, now if you take a look at this, I can collect like terms. This is 25b, so I need to bring the number that has letter b with it, right? So if you take a look at this is 8b. That means 8b can come over here. Okay, and as you know, this is positive 8b. Okay, because it's 8b, it has an invisible positive sign, so it's going to come over here and become negative. So that means in that case I'm going to have 25b minus 8b, because positive 8b crosses the sign of equal to. Take note, remember when it crosses sign of equal to, it changes sign. So that's that. Equals to, also if you take a look at this is negative 5a. It's going to come over to meet 3a right here. So negative 5a also comes over here. Okay, so take note, 8b already is away. So now I have positive 3a, which is the same thing as 3a. So negative 5a comes, it crosses sign of equal to, come over here to become what? Positive 5a. Very good, guys. Now we can go ahead to add and subtract. 25b minus 8b gives me 17b equals 3a plus 5a gives me 8a. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. We are almost there. Take note again. What you are trying to solve is a over b. Okay, now if you take a look at this is 17b equals to 8a. I can rewrite this and just say 8a equals to 17b. All I just did was just to rewrite. Okay, I did not do anything fancy. Okay, now take note that what we are trying to get is a over b. How can I arrive at A over B. I want A to be on top and B to be at the bottom, right? So now for A to be on top, for A to be on top and B to be at the bottom, first of all, I can say divide. I'm trying to make it easy for you guys right here. Divide both sides, okay, by B. If I divide both sides by B, what do we have? This is going to be 8A over B, because I'm going to divide both sides by B, equals to 17B over B. Okay, so what do we have? This B cancels this B. Very interesting, guys, very interesting. So now what do we have? We have 8A over B equals to 17, because B has cancelled B. Very good, guys. Take note that what the question asks us to find again is A over B. Very good. Now I have A over B, okay, but there is still something that is disturbing A, which is this 8 right here. Okay, how do I get rid of this 8? I can divide both sides by 8 also. So I will say divide both sides, both sides by 8. Very good, guys. So if I divide both sides by 8, so that means I'm going to have 8A, right? Remember, this is 8A over B times, remember we are dividing both sides by 8. That means I'm going to divide it by 8. I'm going to put 8 at the bottom, equals to 17 over 8 also. So I'm dividing this left hand side by 8. So I put 8 at the bottom. Okay, so that's why I said B times 8. Then this right hand side I also divided by 8. Very good. So now what do you have? 8 cancels 8. As you can see that this is pretty easy right now, guys. Now I have A over B. Why? Because 8 has cancelled 8. 8 here 1, 8 here 1, right? So 1 times A is A. Then you have B times 1 is B, right? Equals to 17 over 8. Guys, this is your answer. A over B is equal to now what? 17 over 8. Okay, 17 over 8. That is your answer. But take note that if you look at the instruction in the question, it says correct to 2 decimal places. That means you need to divide 17 by 8. Do not leave your answer in fractions so you can get your full marks. Okay, 17 divided by 8, what will that give us? That is going to give us 2.125. That means A over B is 2.125. But take note, the question says leave your answer in 2 decimal places. So that means I can approximate this 5 right here on top of this 2 right here. So in that case, I'm going to have 2.13. Then you can put in bracket 2 decimal places. That means my A over B is 2.13. It's 2.13. Okay, 2.13 is my answer, A over B, because I've been able to put it in 2 decimal places. Very good, guys. I hope you guys understand this question. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next class. If you are new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. All right, guys, see you in the next class.